Hi guys, no one likes daily chores, so following our guide to the best window cleaning robot should be a major win. Handy machines such as robotic vacuums, mops, and even a newer invention, the automatic windows cleaner, are becoming increasingly popular. We've come a long way from the early days of automated housekeeping. However, despite the surge in interest around robot window cleaning, finding a trustworthy rating or expert reviews can often be a struggle. As such, we crafted this guide to not only answer any questions you may have about the robotic windows cleaner market but also give you our pick for the very best window cleaning robot out there. So, let's get started. Number 10. Window Robot with Water Spray High Suction. This robotic window cleaners is here with the 66% price off. Now you can get it at around $116. With its impressive high suction power, electric glass wiper technology, anti-falling safety measures, and remote control functionality, this robotic vacuum cleaner is changing the way we maintain sparkling windows. Model number RL3325. In a world of automation and smart solutions, the window robot with water spray sets a new standard for convenient and efficient glass cleaning. The window robot's high suction power is a standout feature, ensuring that it adheres securely to glass surfaces. This powerful suction guarantees not only stability during operation but also thorough and effective cleaning, leaving your windows spotless and streak-free. The next is Number 9. Water Spray Window Cleaning Robot High Suction. This robotic window cleaners is here with the 45% price off. Now you can get it at around $114. In the ever-evolving world of home automation, the water spray window cleaning robot stands out as a remarkable innovation. With powerful high suction capabilities and smart electric features, this double-sided glass cleaning robot redefines the way we maintain our windows and keeps them crystal clear. Brand name XMSJ. The standout feature of this window cleaning robot is its remarkable high suction power. Designed to adhere securely to both sides of your glass windows, this robot ensures stability and safety during operation. The strong suction technology guarantees an effective cleaning performance, leaving your windows spotless and gleaming. The next is Number 8. Liectroux YW509 Robot Window Vacuum Cleaner. This robotic window cleaners is here with the 58% price off. Now you can get it at around $164. Boasting a range of innovative features, including double water spray, a precision laser sensor, and automatic glass wet mopping capabilities, this intelligent robot is revolutionizing the way we maintain our home's windows and floors. Brand name Liectroux. One of the standout features of the Liectroux YW509 is its unique double water spray system. This cutting-edge technology ensures that your windows and floors are not only cleaned but also left sparkling and streak-free. The dual spray nozzles work in tandem, applying water evenly, while the vacuum efficiently removes dirt and moisture, leaving your surfaces spotless. The next is Number 7. Robot Window Cleaner with Sprayer Home. This robotic window cleaners is here with the 28% price off. Now you can get it at around $139. In today's fast-paced world, the demand for innovative home appliances has never been higher. One such appliance that is making waves in the world of home cleaning is the robot window cleaner with a built-in sprayer. Model number W140. This cutting-edge device is designed to simplify and enhance the way we clean our windows and walls, offering an intelligent solution for achieving spotless surfaces. Whether you're in another room or simply want to relax while the robot does the hard work, the intuitive remote control ensures you have complete command over the device's movements and functions. The next is Number 6. Household Window Automatic Water Spray Cleaning. This robotic window cleaners is here with the 61% price off. Now you can get it at around $108. In the ever-advancing world of home automation, the household water spray cleaning robot emerges as an innovative solution to transform the way we maintain sparkling clean windows. Brand name Puruekai. The household water spray cleaning robot introduces advanced automatic water spray technology, which ensures a thorough and efficient cleaning process, Say goodbye to the hassle of manual window cleaning. This robot can effortlessly manage the task, leaving your windows spotless and streak-free. You can direct the robot to clean your windows from the comfort of your home, eliminating the need for manual labor or reaching for those hard-to-access spots. The next is Number 5. HAOYUNMA Robot Vacuum Cleaner Window. This robotic window cleaners is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $90. In the realm of household automation, the HAOYUNMA robot vacuum cleaner and window cleaning robot stands out as an all-in-one solution for achieving spotless, crystal-clear windows. Brand name HAOYUNMA. More than just an electric glass cleaner, this innovative device redefines the window cleaning experience, offering seamless control via remote and making it an indispensable home appliance. It effortlessly combines the functionalities of a robot vacuum cleaner and a window cleaner to provide a comprehensive cleaning solution for your glass surfaces. The next is Number 4. Water Spray Window Cleaning Robot Intelligent High Dash. This robotic window cleaners is here with the 44% price off. Now you can get it at around $95. Featuring a powerful brushless motor and intelligent design, this robot redefines the way we clean windows, providing a convenient and efficient spray-type cleaning experience on both sides of the glass. Brand name XMSJ. This cutting-edge window cleaning robot is designed to tackle the unique challenges posed by high-rise buildings and multi-story structures. What sets it apart is its double-sided cleaning capability. It can seamlessly clean both the interior and exterior surfaces of your windows, eliminating the need for risky maneuvers or expensive professional services. The next is Number 3. Window Vacuum Robot Cleaner ABIR WD8 Dual. This robotic window cleaners is here with the 63% price off. Now you can get it at around $152. In the ever-evolving world of home automation, the ABIR WD8 window vacuum robot cleaner stands out as a cutting-edge device that redefines the way we clean and maintain our living spaces. Model number WD8. At the heart of the ABIR WD8 is a suite of advanced cleaning technologies that make it stand out in the market. Dual ultrasonic spray ensures that your windows and glass walls receive thorough and efficient cleaning, leaving them spotless and streak-free. This dual spray system optimizes water usage and enhances the cleaning performance, minimizing waste and maximizing results. The next is Number 2. Ultra-Thin Window Cleaning Robot Window Washer. This robotic window cleaners is here with the 68% price off. Now you can get it at around $77. In the realm of home appliances, innovation continues to break barriers, and the ultra-thin window cleaning robot is a prime example of this technological advancement. Model number HCR02. The ultra-thin window cleaning robot represents a leap forward in window cleaning technology. It features a sleek and ultra-thin design that allows it to effortlessly navigate even the tightest spaces, making it ideal for use in homes, offices, and other establishments. Equipped with powerful vacuum suction and an electric glass cleaning system, this robot ensures your windows are left sparkling clean. The next is Number 1. Xiaomi HUTT DDC55 Smart Electric Window Cleaning. This robotic window cleaners is here with the 49% price off. Now you can get it at around $192. That's where innovative technology steps in to make our lives easier. Xiaomi, a leading brand in the tech industry, has introduced the HUTT DDC55 Smart Electric Window Cleaning Robot, a revolutionary device designed to simplify the task of window cleaning and so much more. Brand name Xiaomi. In today's fast-paced world, keeping your home clean and well-maintained can be a challenge. The Xiaomi HUTT DDC55 is not your ordinary window cleaning robot, it's a versatile cleaning companion that offers a range of features to keep your home sparkling. Here's why it's the ultimate smart electric window cleaning solution, so this is the best option for you to buy.